So did you get a lot out of that episode of BB, Big Brother 25, the Power Veto competition? Did you get clarity on what actually happened and how it went down?
Oh, hell no.
I did. I noticed that what I said about Zingbot, his zings weren't exactly accurate from my last video. It wasn't accurate. In fact, he didn't say that Jag was a Bugatti. He actually said Jag was a Lamborghini.
Loser!
And the funny thing is, Zingbot thought he was getting Felicia by saying, you know, her skin was wrinkled. Like, Felicia's like, my skin is flawless.
Fabulous. Like I just hear you off the stage. You are yes, sir.
That's right. Black don't crack. And for the people saying, don't bring up race, well, I am. And even Blue came for Felicia saying, Felicia's skin is flawless. Felicia has not raisin, because, you know, Asians say Asians don't raisin. So, yeah. But then he basically said, I could not make out what he said about Matt. Basically saying his personality was like cardboard. Was that what he was saying? Every time I played it back twice, and I should have played it back with closed caption, but I could not hear the end part, the punchline for Matt. But then, you know, he goes on about America being a cradle robber. Okay, who cares? But he really, really, really went in on Corey. Like, the way he went in on Corey was just fabulous. Because Corey is just,
So annoying.
And so ugly.
Like, he made up a song about Corey to the tune of America the Beautiful. America, like basically saying he's ugly, his mustache, if that's what you want to call it. He is not attractive he's not attractive by anybody's standards. And then, you know, he talks about Cameron being an effing tool. Okay. So, but what we did see in this episode was they didn't show Felicia bumbling and fumbling.
Damn!
Felicia actually gave them a run for their money. She beat America. Go figure. We knew that though. But Sari is like the number one fail. Like, you got the first answer wrong. Like, she thought they wanted the second evicted and the third evicted. She went for Kirsten and Riley. So she was wrong. So she had to go back down, and she came up last. So she was the first out. But oddly enough, Bowie Jane was really fighting for that position. She was really fighting to keep noms the same, because she came in second place to Jag. But Jag essentially won, because I'll give Jag some credit, because I know I dog Jag out quite frequently.
I keeps it real.
But I'll give him some credit. He was very strategic in putting all the tiles, the faces to the side, so then he wouldn't have to go searching each time. He already had them in a stack. That was smart, Jag. Although other people have done it on other seasons, but that was smart for Jag. And so I'll give credit to Jag. I said your name how many times? 3 or 4 times. I'll say it again. Jag, number 5. So, I mean, unfortunately, this episode did not end with the power of veto ceremony. So we have to wait till eviction night to see that, yes, Cameron was put on the block. And Cameron is aware that something's up. If Bowie doesn't make it obvious, like, obviously something that Mimi said must have been true. It wasn't lies, because the obvious person to replace as a nominee would be Corey in Cam's mind. So obviously Cam should know that he's being played. He's being played by Jag. Imagine getting to the end of the game and realize you've been played by Jag.
He probably is the mastermind behind all of this shit. And Meg has just been helping him do the dirty work. You see, he won the veto for Jared. Nobody has anything with Matt.
Here I am saying his name again. Jag. Imagine that. Jag played me.
No one in Matt's hands is crystal clean. So it's Jag's too. But that's kind of how it works. You stay under the radar.
The one who was voted out unanimously, who got back in, who was saved by Matt because of a twist.
And let everything happen. You participate. But nobody really
played me. That's right, Jag. Drop into the comments and tell me what you thought about last night's episode. All right, like and subscribe.